sister, good morning. Oh, good morning. See, they have demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just called me that they have started demolishing our house. They are demolishing the whole street. Oh, they just come and started demolishing.
Woman cry as she lament building demolition at Ajao Estate, Lagos. A viral video on Sunday shows the demolition of houses at Rockview, Ajao Estate, Lagos State. In the video, a female resident was heard crying about her demolition, stating that she could not bring out her properties and documents from the rebels. She said, "They have demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just called me that they started demolishing my house. They have demolished the whole street. They just came and started demolishing our houses. Jesus, I could not bring out my property. I could not bring out my documents." The general manager of Lagos State Building Control Agency, Bola Oke, during a press briefing on Friday, while speaking on the demolition, said some houses close to Muritala Mohammed International Airport lack necessary building permits from relevant agency, he stated.
They are demolishing everywhere. They are demolishing. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I could not bring out my property. I could not bring out my documents. They are demolishing everywhere. See. They are demolishing everywhere. Oh, the whole building, the whole house, they are demolishing. Oh, Rossview at Ajao Estate. Rossview at Ajao Estate. Oh, they are demolishing everywhere. Rossview Street at Ajao Estate. See them, oh, they came with two caterpillars. See them, demolishing everywhere. I could not bring out anything from my house. Oh, I could not bring anything out. Oh, see, they came with courage. They came with courage. Oh, demolishing everywhere. Demolishing.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.